So guys, agent take a action. Okay, with tool they can take decision, they can use tool. Okay, and agent equals to brand plus action. If you ask something to the agent, what is 2 into 10, sorry, 10 into 20, then it will automatically calculate this and get the answer and return the result. Okay, so it can think and act, agent. Okay, now we have memory equals to what? Remembering something. Okay, persistent state across cell. Memory means remembering thing, like a chat history. Okay, so memory means remembering things like chat history. For example, I'm going to say my name is Nidhi. Okay, then I'm going to ask, hey, what is my name? So AI remember and answer that you are a Nidhi. Okay, so memory help in a conversation. Okay guys, I hope you got it. Chat equals to, in LangChain we connect something like this: prompt, LLM, and output in step by step. Okay, and memory means remembering something, and agent means, okay, like they have brain and action, they can take decision. Okay, and rag, like if you have your own data and you want to connect your own data with LLM, then it will generate the answer. Okay, you don't depend on AI knowledge only. Okay, you also want your own data, so that then you can use rag. So we have these four main topics: chain, memory, agents, and rag. Okay, and here I'm going to use Groq. Why I'm going to use Groq? So with the help of Groq we can run everything here. Okay, so Groq provides blazing fast interference on Llama 3, Mistral, and Gamma model, all free on the developer tires. Okay, so with the help, Grok is totally free. Okay, and we can access different kind of model with the help of Grok. Okay, if you are going to search here Grok model, so it will give you models. Okay, so that is available free. Okay, so we can use this kind of model. Okay, so we have some amount, it is going to charge some amount, but some model is totally free. Okay, so we can use model from here. Okay, like you are, if you are watching my video, then you are a fresher or you don't have budget to buy some model or API key, so that's why I'm going for Grok. Okay, so I'm going to use Grok here. Okay, and here I'm going to install LangChain. Okay, LangChain Grok. Okay, so these are the package I'm going to install. With the help of Grok, I'm going to use Grok models. Okay, and here I'm going to install LangChain community. Okay, and LangChain Hugging Face. Okay guys, Hugging Face I'm going to use here. Okay,